Watching everyone around you become parents while you're still waiting for your turn can be painful. You've tried the medicines, consulted the doctors, followed the advice, and still you're waiting for that positive pregnancy test. And you start wondering, will it ever happen for us? If you've been trying to conceive and feel like you've tried everything, take the next step with personalized guidance. Book a consultation with Dr. Arpita Sarma and the Janitva IVF team to understand what your next step could look like.
Myntri rang ba ke Jylla Meghalaya Conrad kongkal Sangma ule thuru badang chen ule song jingalang ba ke Myntri ke Sorkar Pdeng ke bakmi ektenat latengka ka nirmala sitharaman. Bad ula kerpat ba amdai ban penjari kanu ke jingbu puat halor ki externally aided project. Ulong balada kamdan kanu ke jingbu puat kan harap bat kersyani ke Jylla kom ke Meghalaya bad ulong bakile kentu badai ban wengno ekane ke jingbu puat kenang baken la ban apply ki scheme akipor ki banwan. Ulitho bulalit ru bani kendo ya Myntri kena badi kemi ekatrat ayush upi jadhav ban kerpat ban peniar syo ke office trikam bar kiwi ki jingdan kam jogane ya. Conrad kongkal Sangma ulong ba ule kendo ru ya Myntri ke Sorkar Pdeng bakmi ya ketrat environment and forest banekran lo ke jingtan trikam ya ke MEPRA fund ke badai ka reclamation fund ke balalum da ke Sorkar.
Request the Union Minister to not impose any ceiling on the externally aided projects. And as you're aware, we had a meeting a couple of months back, and Union Minister was very keen, but still there are some discussions going on, and we have urged her again that that if the ceiling is not there, it will help and support, especially states like Meghalaya. There have been recent meetings where a large number of projects have been approved. New projects have been approved for Meghalaya. But as I said, the official notifications have not come out, so I will not give details of that right now. But the official meeting has taken place, and approval to certain EAPs have been given, new EAPs. And I'll share that with you once the minutes of those meetings come out. But beyond what has been approved, we have urged that the ceiling be removed so that we can apply for more schemes in the future. In my visit to Delhi, I also had a meeting with Union MOS for Ayush, independent charge, Shri Pratap Rao Jadavji. And in that, I have requested that if the in NIA office that is there in Shillong, if that can be expanded, and different facilities like herbal gardens and different centers, sports activity facilities for students, and other infrastructures can be added. It would help the institute at large, and of course the students out here. So therefore, that meeting was very positive, and I'm hoping for a positive response from the ministry.